Meridian Police Department fly drones as first responders. What that means to you and me as citizens of the city of Meridian is that they respond to events of emergencies that provides the service for our citizens.
This drone will allow our officers to remain safe by knowing what is occurring on scene prior to their arrival. They will be able to know whether or not a suspect is in custody or what is going on before they arrive there. Our drone pilots will be able to get that information out to them quickly so that they can respond and also assist with keeping the community safe.
The drone is important because it gives the officer a clear view of the scene of what they're walking into.
Once the officers are dispatched by the drone pilots to the location, they are able to zoom in and tell whether or not the suspect has a weapon or if it's something as simple as a cell phone.
I think it's a real benefit to be able to provide information to the officers. It's also going to keep the officers and the citizens of Meridian safe.
The benefits of the drone to the Meridian Police Department is it will give the officers adequate information that they need while responding to an active scene. The officers will know what's going on prior to their arrival. This intel will be able to get more information out to the community.
We are saving lives by changing the future of law enforcement by technology.
Meridian Police Department offers a competitive salary with local departments within this area. We also offer training. Officers also have the ability to go back and further their education. Our officers are also able to feel more like a family here. These officers work well together, they depend on one another, and they are committed to Meridian Police Department.